Stinks. I don't know if it's that fuel or if it's the mouse getting freaking nuclear in there.
I think it's...
What does valet mode do? Ethan, what are you doing first? Interior, exterior, what?
Mufflers and cutting them off.
You're cutting them. Just end the video right there. All right, it's the following day. We got the new car home yesterday, diagnosed it, played around with it, GoPro died. Here it is. That, my friends, is a 1996 Cadillac Sedan DeVille. We had Napa get us a fuel pump. It's here. And she runs, and the AC blows cold. I'm doing awesome. Thank you very much. Just the one? All right, you have a good one. Amazon. So as I was saying, 32 valve V8. I don't think you could have picked a better car. 200 bucks for a whole new fuel pump, assembly, all that stuff. Overpaid because it's Napa, but we like to support our local businesses. It is locally owned. I mean, check this out. Got the wood grain, some cosmetic stuff. Phil cut a little access door to swap that fuel pump out without dropping it. For a nice young man attending a Christian academy here locally, I think this is a serious level up. What do you think, Phil? This a level up for him? I think a couple Saturdays worth of elbow grease, maybe a little bit of clear coat on the roof, just a good interior cleaning. Phil was saying some saddle soap, probably a bunch of tough stuff, a little bit of adhesive, glue back down some of the dash that's kind of flipped up, but this thing works. Everything works. It's got a cigarette lighter and an ashtray in every door. Now that doesn't mean much to a young man like Ethan, but he can charge his phone and so can all of his friends. That probably means a lot. What do you think, Ethan?
Yeah, I love it, dude.
How are you excited?
Hell
what
yeah.
do you think?
I'm like stunned for words.
Yeah, your mom's gonna steal this, dude. Fires right up. Actually sounds pretty good already, man, but once we straight pipe it,
holes in the muffler.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. We're gonna straight pipe it. Blowing a little smoke, but I mean that gas is 3 years old, so it might be burning a mouse house too. Bit of a boat, and we had to winch it on, so it's not exactly straight. You got plenty of room on your side. You're good. Alright. So then Ramson, let's go for a ride, dude. What do you think, Mr. Phil?
Good old car, sounds good.
Pretty good for the high school kid, huh?
Yep, you're gonna have to get him a pimp hat though.
Yeah. I agree. What do you think, Mayo?
I love it, dude.
Gator?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it definitely smells like it's burning up like a mouse house or something. Caddy luxury right here. Look at this. Boom. Got a fuse holder, spare fuses with the tool. Got valet mode. Boom. Some repairs. I haven't even really looked in here. Seatbelt cutters galore, dude.
Worry about the auto lock on.
Flashlights. Oh. No servicio on that one. Had to do a little diag and repair.
Child lock stuff.
No big deal. I thought the child lock lets you open from outside.
Yeah, but if it gets stuck, it's broken.
Yeah. Come on. Look. Yeah, it's stinking, boy. Yeah, something else is burning. Oh, a little bit of rust in the hood. I didn't notice that. That's an easy patch though. But I think here's the plan. Some pick and pull parts, clean all that up, cans of clear, respray the clear, buff the whole thing out, get the shine back in it, elbow grease all over the interior, a bunch of tough stuff, a bunch of saddle soap, vacuuming, little adhesive, you can see that sticking up right there. But mechanically sound, AC blows cold. Or they parked it because the AC wasn't working and it was just too hot. It's Texas. AC's blowing cold right now, so maybe it's got an intermittent issue or something. Yeah, you got a little love, but Ethan wants to learn how to work on cars. No better way than to get yourself a nice little junk car and put some work into it. There you go. Bam. Works. Watch this. And then the ultra luxurious, you don't slam this trunk. Closes itself.
Sucks right now.
Sucks right down. Oh yeah, you want to see that thing? There you go. Watch your hands. Radio on. Antenna goes up.
Doesn't go up any higher.
A little bent.
Yeah.
Got a little tweak to it. Hasn't been registered in 5 years, but yeah, that AC's blowing cold. Oh, look at the controls here. That blower motor might be a little weak. It's not blowing super strong. It's a common issue when these go out. They gotta get some resistors or something repaired. Damn thing's got a train horn.
Yeah.
I love it, dude. Look at all that. Look at all the accessories. Look at all the accessories here.
Contacts.
Oh, that's a perfect job for him to learn how to do.
Yep.
Look at that. Got a letter holder. Oh, there's something. All right, the GoPro's struggling, but I reached in here and I thought it was a dead mouse, but it turned out to just be a ball of yarn or something. What do you boys want to do? Go for a ride?
I could fall asleep.
I'm still kind of in shock because I didn't think I would get a project car until I was like at least 20.
Yeah.
Think we're gonna take it easy, or we're gonna try to clean her out?
I'm gonna roll out the windows. You got AC.
It has AC?
Yep.
Yeah, you gotta feel those rear vents back there, dude.
Shit.
Oh, I love this. Where's the seatbelt?
I forgot to tuck them through, so just hang on to that.
There's no seatbelt.
Ooh, them tires are old.
It's a little wobbly. Let's do a little backcountry driving. I'm gonna give me some Paul Wall going, dude.
Oh my gosh, the AC.
Absorbs that cattle guard like it was nothing.
Yeah.
Ethan, I might have to buy this, dude. I don't know. Drives
for a little bit.
pretty straight, man. Did that AC go out?
No, it's the fan.
That's what I mean. Fan's not working. The
Yeah.
blower motor doesn't seem like it's blowing full strength.
No, it's just a blower motor. So replace that. Put a resistor on
Dude, this thing is super smooth.
This is sick.
Alright, I'm gonna do a brake check.
it. Hang on.
Hang on to your horses there, Bubba.
Yep.
Alright, they won't lock up, but they need a little, maybe a little bleed and flush.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got something in the rear squeaking. Dude, the exhaust sounds good on this thing.
Massive holes in the muffler.
Dude. What are you thinking back there, Ethan?
I'm just kind of in shock, honestly. I didn't think I would get a cool car until I was like 20. Which, like 20 or higher.
How old are you now?
I'm 17. I'm close, but like...
Dude, if I had this car when I was 17, I would have felt like king of the world, dude.
Man,
Especially because I was, you know, that would have been like 2002. you
Yeah.
know? So, I mean, this car would have been 6 years old. Snoop Dogg literally had this car. Like, I mean, I would have been, you couldn't have pried me out of this thing. I would have drove everywhere.
If I had this, would have had some subs in it. Bumping in the high school parking lot.
Dope boy.
Dope boy.
The dope boy.
Fresh.
Sub. You want to drive it a little bit, Ethan? I think she's pretty safe. Just we'll keep it slow just in case the brakes start to fade or anything like that.
Yeah.
Oh, she ain't burning out, that's for sure.
Drag in.
Oh, we got the traction off?
Traction was off.
We tune up, do some things to it. We'll get it to burn out.
She stinks. I don't know if it's that fuel or if it's the mouse getting freaking nuclear in there.
I think it's the
What does valet mode do? Real quick, I want to see this thing. Nothing. Maybe it's stuck in valet mode.
Yeah. Let's roll the winders down. She's smoking.
She's trying to smoke. Of course, right when I get in the front seat.
Oh yeah.
Oh my
Alright.
gosh.
Where's Ethan driving?
What do you think, dude?
It's so cool.
Is this the first time you've ridden in a Cadillac?
Yeah.
Is it really?
Yeah.
The first time you rode in a Cadillac, it was yours.
That's
do you
so
think?
cool.
What do you think of the trademark Cadillac ride?
It rides like a Cadillac. I mean,
Now you know what people
It's
mean when they
smooth.
say that.
yeah. This is so cool.
Punch it.
Roadie. Careful you don't get somebody coming over the top of this hill on you. This boy ain't getting out of the way quick.
No.
Did it with tough stuff, and then I've got that steam cleaner. We'll do the carpets, do the headliner and all that stuff, get all the little nicks out, get this thing back to cream, true cream. You have to tell Phil when he works on it, man, hey, wipe your feet, bro. Hey, wipe your feet before you get in the
No, you should have some like slippers in here. Put these on.
Yeah, that'd be top-notch luxury. Just have a set of slippers back here for your guests.
Yeah, you put these
There's a
on.
lot of room in this back seat, dude.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you're like chilling back there.
Yeah,
Your boss
right.
hogging.
I mean, you could, I mean, it's not like a Maybach or something where it's like you're meant to be driven.
Yeah.
But I have so much room. I could easily take a road trip in this.
Freaking just barge. It floats.
Oh, dude. There it is, that caddy body roll.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you gotta love it.
This
Right
turn
there.
signal's not working.
Well,
what?
remember the cluster's out right now, so it works through there. That's one thing we need to fix.
Scale of 1 to 10, Ethan. What are you thinking?
11.
An 11.
11.
It's not even good yet.
Yeah.
And it's still
It's
like
a great foundation,
good.
though, isn't it?
I know, it's such a good foundation.
I mean, your friends, like, remember when you were in high school? Felt like you're on top of the world when you had a car full of people your age. Now imagine Ethan driving the Cadillac Sedan DeVille. Oh yeah, there it is. Pulling up to the local Christian Academy. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at that.
Oh
Cup
my
holders for
gosh.
back here go in here. And when you want to use them, you hang them.
That's so deep.
Oh, that's what they are. They're supposed to be in here, I believe. And then I think this is a mechanism that folds them out. So we got to put this back together. That's what it is. So then it folds in like this, and they close up, and it sets like that. It's all here. We just got to clip it back together.
Oh my gosh.
Stay tuned for more caddy videos. Ethan, what are you doing first? Interior, exterior, What?
The mufflers, I'm cutting them off.
You're cutting the...
Yeah.
Just end the video right there.